Hey, Steve Zonardo here with Treviso Realty. We're still in Babcock Ranch at Northridge, community built by Polte. Behind me here is a single story detached. It's the Hanover. It's 1,850 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Let's go have a look at this house. This is the Hanover model in Northridge at Babcock Ranch by Polte. If you have any questions regarding homes in the community, there's much more models to choose from if this one doesn't match your needs and wants, and we'd be happy to show you around. You can always reach us at 647-962-4372. Have a great day. Ciao.